starting the Vasudha Madan show with a twist. This red heart, okay, let me put it here and take the red heart oath. Yeah? तो जो लोग मुझे जानते हैं ना, उनको पता है कि मैं कभी झूठ नहीं बोलती. मैं चुप रह सकती हूँ मगर मैं झूठ नहीं बोलती. Yeah? So you are obligated only to say the truth on this show. So I'm going to keep my hand on my heart so that I can feel it and speak the truth. And I want you to do that. Are you carrying your red heart? It is there inside. It is there inside you. Red heart की कसम, मैं जो बोलूंगा सच बोलूंगा, सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा.
मैं जो बोलूंगा सच के बिना झूठ नहीं बोलूंगा.
Okay, take 20 seconds to introduce yourself.
My name is Sri Ramnath Mandali. I'm basically an engineer, a social entrepreneur, working on different projects, especially in energy and IoT business. I have a startup which is called Lipon Group, and for the last 22 years I was in R&D, and we are working for sustainability growth, especially in energy business, healthcare and automobile industries.
We are going through an era जहाँ पे सिर्फ businesses को sustainable होने की जरूरत नहीं है, leadership को भी sustainable होने की जरूरत है. तो what are your views on sustainable leadership? Because it is getting very difficult for leaders also to sustain themselves as leaders.
Yeah. So the sustainability is a very big word, and now it is a very buzzword. I can say the buzzword in the extreme world where we are right now. Due to these climate conditions and all government policies, any nations are working on this sustainability growth, not only in terms of financials, not only in terms of employment, not only in terms of education, healthcare. If you look at all around, all businesses are now looking into this sustainability.
True.
So what exactly this means is, like, if you are doing certain work, and we are exactly in the VUCA world. VUCA world is like volatile, uncertainty, and consolidated, and more only appreciable businesses. We are doing all these things appreciately by doing ourselves for
True.
the growth of ourselves.
True.
But now the a paradigm shift has happened. Totally, it has been happening towards. We had to work for the nation. We had to work for the growth of global planetary issues. We had to do a lot of work in order to protect our planet, because we have only one Earth, one planet. So most of the goals and objectives of any company, not only in the big leaderships, even the nation is working on these goals. So definitely, sustainability is like making uncertainty to certainty. That's what I felt it.
Amazing. True. And I think अगर leadership ही sustainable नहीं होगी, तो how will we carry forward the movement? Yes, from uncertain to certain. So self-awareness की बात करते हैं. Let's talk a bit about self-awareness, right? So can you share that light bulb moment? I mean, vis-a-vis the self-awareness you have had about yourself, that light bulb moment when you realize that you are cut out for research and engineering, not just being an engineer or a CEO. I mean, for research, because that's what you told me about yourself. You recognize yourself more as someone who is a researcher.
Childhood itself, I was being little passionate towards science and technological fairs. So that makes me a lot of passion towards identifying the problems and solving it better as an engineer. When I go towards the more and more deeper into the studies, let us say if we take any problem is identified in front of me, definitely I will try to solve it from the engineering mindset, but very deeper and deeper. So that makes me developing my research skills.
Your perfect recipe for cracking the code of any challenge, problem nahi.
The challenge always been taken into considerations with the teamwork. We cannot do it alone. Okay. And it should have resources, proper resources.
Yeah.
Proper team. proper
Yeah.
knowledge, skills, everything is mixed up.
दिस इज द वसुधा मैदान शो. तो ये तो हो नहीं सकता कि हम लव, जॉय और इन सेल्फ केयर की बात ना करें. So my
करिए.
next question, my next question is define love.
Love is indefinite and you cannot
Yeah.
define it.
What does joy mean to you? Define joy.
Yeah, self-awareness, self-realization. Whenever you felt anything that is been makes you happy, bliss,
Yeah.
and you should understand it is comes from your end, not from other people or somebody say you are good, you are happy, like that.
One hot self-care tip for the audience.
It's not like I don't give any tips to them because they know what to do. I just
Wow.
I just want to tell about what needs to be done if you want to be a successful people.
Rolling into the rapid fire now. You know what is rapid? Shoot. Okay. Shoot. Decisiveness.
Maybe with oneself.
Oh yeah. Shoot. Growth.
Always with the team, people.
Excellent. Shoot. Blame game.
Who doesn't believe you?
Shoot. Dream.
Sorry, can you
Dream.
dream? Always always achieve whatever you want.
Lovely. Shoot. Weakness.
Always parents.
Lovely. Rank in the order of importance. Money, love, happiness, health.
I can give happiness,
Yeah.
wealth,
Yeah.
health,
Yeah.
and then
Love.
what is that?
Love.
First, yeah.
Jane
Love
do.
is money.
So basically your order is happiness, money, health and love. You've been on the show with me throughout, right from that first till now. I want you to say something nice about the Vasudha Madan show. How has it been?
Most vulnerable people, I can see that who can connect different leaders across the globe. You have seen different leaders and different people you have discussed. You understand better what kind of people we are. We don't know about what we are right now. So obviously we should take some feedback after this show, what we are and how we are, and also we would like to take some kind of tips from your end. Thank you for us giving this opportunity, ma'am.
Oh, thank you so much, sir. That was so beautiful. Name of the host of the show?
Vasudha.
I'm in love with myself, right? So I want to hear something nice about the host of the show. Vasudha is the host of the show.
So I'm seeing that you are not believe yourself, you are believing others. So how their success is and everything.
Really want to kind of thank you from not just from my side but from the entire the Vasudha Madan show team for bringing the twist on the show.
Thank you very much.